Welcome back to our channel PartsHnC. In this video, we'll walk you through the easy installation of the Goodman 0150P00005S blower wheel. First, ensure your HVAC system is turned off and safely disconnected from the power supply. Begin by removing the access panel of your unit to expose the blower assembly. Next, locate the old blower wheel and remove any screws or clips securing it in place. Carefully detach the old blower wheel, noting how it was positioned. Clean the area thoroughly before installing the new Goodman 0150P00005S blower wheel to remove debris or dust. Place the new blower wheel onto the motor shaft, ensuring it fits snugly and aligns properly. Secure the blower wheel with the screws or clips you previously removed. Check that the wheel spins freely and doesn't wobble. Reattach the access panel and ensure all screws are tightened. Restore power to your HVAC system and turn it on. Listen for any unusual noises to confirm that the installation was successful. If the blower wheel operates smoothly, you're all set. If you encounter any issues, double-check the installation steps or consult a professional. Remember, proper installation ensures optimal performance and longevity of your HVAC system.